one sort of sentient piece of advice you would give them for tackling a multi or mixed-use project if they were kind of coming in from scratch? If you could give them a nugget, I'd like each of you to give your sort of your best piece of advice on that.
Yeah, I think to go back to what we said before, I would sit down and talk with a manager in each asset type that I would be taking on.
Yes.
I think sitting down with a Mark Taylor, sitting down with someone from Plaza Company, sitting down with someone from JLL office or industrial, and understanding, okay, I'm about to set foot in this mixed-use project that deals with these 4 or 5, whatever. A hotel, we don't have a hotel person here. A hotelier saying like, what does success look like for your property specifically? Because I want to be a good partner. Will make all the difference in the world.
God, that's money right there. That's pearls. Absolute pearls.
Just dropping them for you.
Got it.
Yeah, no, that's yeah. And for me, it's whatever. I'm just going to parrot and amplify what everybody said. Have an intellectual curiosity about things that's not in your subject matter expertise. Ask a lot of questions. Sit down with people. It takes time. It takes effort. But that is like any other real estate. If you're in CRA, we've heard the term investment. That's a personal investment that also has a return. Just like our clients invest for return, you should be invested in your career for return. That investment, I promise you, if you ever get on mixed use, will have a return.
Yeah, I think the whole panel has been great with words of wisdom and how to do things and how to implement. So I agree with all of that. I thought I'd just then end with something that kind of goes across everything that we do, and I'm going to quote somebody who's really smart. He's sitting in the front row, Ernie Jackson. He ends a week at Plaza with something to the entire company that says, it's the little things that count, and he'll be profiling an individual and sending photos, and I write back to him and say, it's not little, it's really big, because those are the things that add up to huge success. Plus, it inspires and motivates our team members. So a few more words of wisdom.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah, what John, Sean, and Sharon have all said is exactly what I would say, but I'm going to amplify it as well. Take it one step further too, right? If you're a property manager, get your engineers as well to do the same thing. Get them to go on site. Get them to learn how our engineers, in multifamily operate, right? So it doesn't always have to fall on you, the property manager, right? Utilize your resources, utilize your team, and the more you get your team to understand the nuances and the differences of mixed use, the stronger you will actually learn as well. So.
And I'm going to add this just because in my experience, and I know that I'm not a panelist and you're not here for my expertise or wisdom, but one thing that I picked up in my time as a property manager was spending time with people that are doing the little things that no one else sees, specifically your engineering team, some of your vendors that do things behind the scenes that make your projects work, but no one knows that they make it work and no one knows how those things work. When you understand those things, it makes your job easier because when you're talking with your tenants or with prospective stakeholders, you have a better understanding of the backbone of the organization. And while those individual things may or may not inform the conversation, they inform your foundation and allows you to be more confident when you're presenting to others. So I would just offer that for a tidbit. Hopefully, that's of some help. So with that, I want to again thank our panelists, thank everyone for being here. This